Right now we're just walking down to the construction site. Keep on walking. There's a dump truck coming down the street here. Let's just walk down here and we'll see what's going on at the construction crew. The excavator's filling up the dump truck. Throwing down some filter cloth. There's Paul spraying everything and everyone. You guys having fun out here?
Oh yeah. It's getting hotter by the minute there, Hazard.
Yes, it is.
Nice this morning, we were in the shade. Now we're in
It's probably nicer in the hole, isn't it? Probably nicer in the hole because you don't get as much heat.
I don't know, sometimes it's cooler being down in the ground, actually.
That's what I wondered.
Yeah. Sometimes it's a little bit cooler down there, sometimes being in that steel trench spot gets it warmer on it sometimes.
All depends on the day?
All depends, yep. In the winter time it's a lot nicer to be down there because you don't have to be in the wind. Is it cool? Yeah. Yeah.
Do you guys work on streets in the middle of winter?
No, subdivision, so like an open field, really.
Really?
Yeah. So like companies like us will go in and put all the sewer and stuff in and build the roads before they start building new houses in these spots, right?
Huh. Doug, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Working. Working.
What are you doing?
I'm working. I'm working. I got a shovel. Huh?
Hey, I'm working. I work every day, brother.
Huh?
You think you get arms like this from doing nothing?
Here comes the dump truck. Here comes the dump truck once again. It's backing up. Dumping some dirt down here. Laying some more dirt. So we have someone to bulldoze. Man, is there ever a lot of dirt there? There's a lot of dirt that just got poured out right here. It's a lot of dirt. Watching them put dirt in the dump truck. Fill up the dump truck. We have another dump truck waiting to come in. that dirt around. 1 minute later, 1 minute later. Here comes the next dump truck. There's one is leaving. I don't know what that is, like you just pull it out of the ground. Is it a pipe? Josh? The old ones, right? Because they're metal.
Yes. That's the old water main that
But why is the old one metal? What is it then, Josh?
I think it's either clay or stuff.
Does it still rust though?
Maybe it is metal. I don't know.
Does it still rust? Here comes the other dump truck, like I said, and we're filling it up. This one's dumping dirt over here. Here we are dumping dirt. Here comes Steve's going to be moving his bucket here soon, I think. He's filling up some of this hole. And we're packing down dirt down there, and right now we're just filling up some of this hole. Right now we're just, like I say, moving some dirt around, and I hope we get this channel this year to 1,000 subscribers. We're working hard to try to bring these videos out for you every day. We will almost every day be bringing these videos out. Trying here. Bring them out every day, if not every other day. We're trying to bring them out every other day. Here we are filling up the hole over there, and the dump truck's getting filled up by the other excavator over there. Here comes the packer, one of them. This is not the sheep's foot. But right now we are just, like I say, moving some dirt around. This one's moving dirt around so we can fill up the hole over there. But right now, like I say, we're going to be trying to flatten this stuff out right now. Here comes the next dump truck. Here comes the next dump truck. This one's backing up slowly. It's getting dusty on the site. It should have been dusty the whole time you were on the site, Jeffrey. Yes, but I just started to notice it now. In the next clip, you'll hear the backup beeper. When I play the audio for you, you'll hear the backup beeper from the dump truck. As you can tell, because the dump truck's backing up, that it's a bit dusty on the site today. Wow. We're dumping dirt back here. 1 second later, 1 second later. Dumping dirt slowly down. What are we doing?
Fixing the sidewalks to make it temporarily accessible for everyone. We have to take them out when we do the sanitary services, so we are reinstating them temporarily.
We're filling up this little spot here. Packing in quite a bit. Here's the front end loader. Have you worked on the highway?
Sorry?
Have you ever worked on the highway?
Oh yeah.
Do you like it?
No. Too much traffic.
Heard it here first. There's too much traffic on a highway. We're filling up the dump truck still. I know that's a lot of my footage today, but we are not doing that much to it. Hey Paul, when you're on my street, you guys didn't have the trench box.
Sorry?
When you were on my street, you didn't have the trench box, did you?
Why, sorry?
The trench box.
I don't pull that forward.
No, you didn't have it on my street, did you? Why?
It wasn't as deep in here.
Like how deep is it here?
It's about 14 feet.
And what was on my street?
More like 10 or 12.
Really? I was wondering why I could see it more on my street. Now I just got permission to go in front of the machine here to film the video.
Hey, you get some video down in the hole there.
It was pretty awesome standing in front of the machine like I was. Where's all the water from?
What's that, Jeffrey?
So where's all the water from?
The water's coming from the old water line that used to be running here, but we abandoned it, and that's why all this is running here, so that we can shut it off and dig it all out to replace it.
Oh, that's cool.
So we're doing the sanitary pipe coming up the street.
Where are you working on that side?
We're doing the sanitary pipe. That's what we're doing, dragging the box down the street.
Yeah.
And we're going to connect their sanitary service from that house into the pipe. That's why we're digging that hole out, so that we can connect it in, and then we keep going down the street.
Oh, cool. Standing in front of the hole was cool, but now we have to move back to where we were. Thanks. Thanks. Thank you.
No problem.
Wow.